Hey, what's up, everyone? Here we got the Dream Team 12-piece shells, and they are premium artillery shells, maximum power. And we're gonna open this up real quick and see what all exactly comes with it. But here on the back, we have some of the effects with the sky blue and sky blue, gold and gold strobe willow, red to red strobe willow, blue and purple, lemon green strobe, brocade and white strobe, brocade gold strobe, pink and orange, blue and gold strobe, orange and white strobe, red and white strobe, and red and yellow. And here's some of the performance. This is also by PYRO Planet Phantom. So, see what it comes with. I think this one may come with a fiberglass tube. Got the shells there. Yep, this one actually does come with a fiberglass tube. Nice and heavy. Strong, durable tube for these ball shells, because they're supposed to be pretty powerful. And we'll see if they're labeled or not. Nope. Oh, they are. Red peony and white strobe. So I don't know if these are labeled correctly or not, but they are labeled on each shell. They're really thick and sturdy. I'm pretty sure these are machine made. Looks like they fit just about perfect in the fiberglass tube they came with. Well, there's that for you. Dream Team 12 shell box, maximum power, made by PYRO Planet and Phantom Fireworks. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.